What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, Samsung's brand spanking new $1,400 foldable flip phone. So I'm super duper excited to get this bad boy out of the box and start playing with it. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen, I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the top of the box, we've got a little purple Z going on right here, obviously for the Galaxy Z Flip. And besides that, there's not really much more going on with the box. It's just covered in black. And over here on this side, it says Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, if you guys can pick that up right there. So without further ado, let's open this up. So we can just slide the outer shell off, and now you'll see Flip. That's kind of cool. So Z Flip. And yeah, now let's see what is in here. We can just pull this up just like that, and boom, the future changes shape. Meet your Galaxy Z Flip. Oh yeah, this is very exciting. So let's pull this over here, and then boom, here is the phone. We've got some care instructions right here. Definitely very important because this is supposed to be a very super duper fragile phone. So let's read these. Now folks, once you've read these care instructions right here on the front of the phone, which once again are definitely very important to read before you start using it, you can take this plastic off the phone, and oh wow baby, look at that purple back. That is a really cool color right there. I'm definitely glad I got the purple one. The other option in the US right now is black. This purple definitely looks super duper cooler. So yeah, anyway, let's take the plastic off and be very super duper careful with this phone. And now we can just pull it off the front just like this. And voila, here it is, nice and naked. I'm just gonna gently set it down right here, just like this, so you can see that nice purple. Well, we see what else is in the box. So now next right here, we've got this little card that talks about the Premier service that's supposed to come with this phone. For example, they've got a website, they've got a 24-hour Galaxy Z concierge that you can call. And lastly, also right here on the bottom, they've got this screen replacement offer going on that within a year of purchasing the phone, you've got a special price on a screen replacement. That's going to be $119 plus taxes. So yeah, there you go. And anyway, folks, let's see what is under this. So right here, we've got the wall plug for obviously plugging the phone into the wall and charging it up. Very important. Right here, we've got, let's see. Looks like we have a USB-C to USB-A cable, obviously for plugging the phone into the wall charger and into the wall and thus charge it. Now next folks, right here, I believe we have a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Let's see if we can get this out of its little packaging. Yep, USB-C to USB-A, I was right. And last but not least, folks, right here we have this little AKG pair of USB-C headphones, and right here that just rolled away, we've also got some interchangeable ear tips. So that is definitely pretty cool. We can put all this stuff to the side and take a look. Here are the various technological items that came in the Z Flip box, baby. Oh yeah, look at these guys right here. So now folks, now that we've seen what comes in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip box right here, let's get this bad boy all set up and let's start using it, baby. And folks, just like that, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip right here all nice and set up. So let's get to using it, baby. We can just come over here, and as you can see, well, let's fold this phone. So here we go. Boop, 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 and it is folded just like that, nice and easy. So on the outside of the phone, as you can see, we've got that nice purple back. We've got this beautiful purple hinge right down the middle right here with the Samsung logo right there. And I noticed the way the light flashes on the logo, it sort of like dances in this rainbowness too. So that's super duper cool. Definitely a very flashy phone right here in this particular color. We've also over here, right next to the camera, we've got a little mini LED screen that you can use to access, for example, the date, the time, the battery of your phone, And cool little trick, this screen right here is actually fully touchable. So you can actually move it around, check out your notifications and stuff like that. You can even use it as a viewfinder for the camera right here, the main cameras, which enables you to take a selfie with the best cameras on the phone. So now if we open the phone up again, let's just do that so we can look at this beautiful folding screen right here. Yes, folks, I will say this, you can definitely see the crease right here in the middle of the phone, but I mean, it is what it is. This is one of the first folding phones out there, so I'm definitely fine with that for now. But now moving on. Anyway, folks, over here on this side of the phone, we've got the volume rocker right here, the power button right here, which actually houses the phone's fingerprint reader, which I will say, at least from my testing so far, really doesn't work that well compared to other fingerprint readers I've used, because like it just doesn't want to unlock for some reason with my fingerprint. So watch. I can do it, and it keeps telling me wipe the fingerprint sensor and try again, and then I might wipe it, I'll wipe my thumb too, and then eventually, there it goes. But it's a lot of work. It's not just every time, boom, 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 at least with my experience so far, so that definitely could be improved upon, but yeah, let's try one more time, and see, just like that, once again, it's telling me to wipe the fingerprint sensor. That's kind of annoying, but yeah, let's see, one last time, and yeah, see, it's not working too well. But anyway, folks, once we've got the phone unlocked, we can come over here to the other side. We've got the SIM card tray right here. Down here on the bottom, we have the USB-C port and a speaker grill. And yeah, now let's look at the magic of folding the phone from the back. And as you can see, when you fold it, out comes that Samsung logo right there. Super duper cool. And then boom. Now, once the phone is folded, you will see there is a tiny bit of space actually between the two different screens. It doesn't fold like super flat on itself. There is a tiny, tiny, tiny little gap there. And yeah, one cool thing about this phone, how it folds, is actually you will notice on the screen, around the screen, it has a raised sort of bezel right there. So when it folds shut, the screen actually doesn't hit itself, it just hits this raised area. So that, folks, is definitely pretty nice. Now, one other cool thing about how the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip folds is you actually don't have to fold it closed all the way. It can still hold its position when sort of folded. So for example, if we look just like this, look, it just stays just like that, so we can leave it sort of facing up, facing me on a table like that. Samsung says this is good for example, making video calls with the phone, so then the phone can look at you and just hold its position. I've also noticed it can be pretty cool if you put it like this on a table, on its side, because then you can watch videos with it holding itself up. And yeah, folks, I definitely think this screen is super duper beautiful. It is definitely very long. I actually put it side by side with my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this screen is actually taller, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, let's actually watch one of my YouTube videos on it. That could be fun.
What's going on, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenoticing, guys. In this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the super duper special Star Wars special edition of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus smartphone.
And there that was, folks, watching a YouTube video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Now, let's test out its camera a bit. So we can just come over here into the camera app. Let's take a little selfie of myself on the selfie camera. Cheese. And yeah, how's that look, folks? Do I look pretty good in that picture? I actually think that's a pretty good selfie. So, good job, Samsung. Now let's try out the rear dual cameras. So, on the rear, we have a normal lens right here. We can just take a picture of my logo right there with that. And we also have a wide-angle lens right here. We can take a picture with that, too. And, folks, here we are with those pictures we just took on the rear cameras. Those are 12-megapixel shooters, by the way. Right here, we've got the wide-angle, and right here, we've got the standard. Now, folks, last but not least in the camera app, let's try to take a selfie with those rear cameras with that cover screen on the outside. So to do that, you can just come up here to the corner, top right corner of the camera app and tap that button right there to turn on the cover screen preview. Now, as you can see, if we fold the phone right there, you can actually see what these cameras see on the screen. So look, we can just point it at me, and now as you can see, they can see me. Let's take a picture, and boop, boop, boop. We can just click, and with the volume rocker, you hear that click noise? Boom, it's taking pictures of me. So folks, here's one of those pictures it took of me right there. Pretty nice, pretty good. And yeah, with that folks, now we've done a nice, quick, easy unboxing of this bad boy right here, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So folks, my opinion on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip right here is that I definitely really like it. I definitely think it's a really interesting idea to have a phone fold onto itself just like that to make it nice and easier to fit into your pocket, super duper easy, and have this whole foldable flip phone idea. I definitely think this is probably the most interesting phone I've ever had on Warenotice. I mean, this is just such a crazy cool idea right here, and once again, I really like it, but hey, it might not be for everyone. So once again, this phone will set you back about $1,400 if you're interested in getting it for yourself. And yeah, I definitely have to say to Samsung, good job on this one. I just can't say it enough. This guy is super duper cool. And yeah, I'm really happy with it so far. So yeah, guys, anyway, that'll be all for this Warenotice video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip right here. So if you guys enjoyed this Warenotice technology video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, baby. Ooh.